Morning students. We are going through chapter 8 from the Flamingo, and the title of the chapter is Going Places. Children, this chapter is written by A.R. Barton, and now we are coming to the concluding part of the chapter. As we know that Sophie is the main character of this chapter, and the whole of the story revolves around her. We know that Jancy is another girl who is the true friend of Sophie. We have read that Sophie is a girl who is always lost in imaginations in the world of dreams, and on the other side, Jancy is a realist. She believes in reality. And when Sophie came to know that Jancy came to know about their meeting with Danny Casey, who is a famous Irish footballer. She started thinking that Geoff should not have told her about it. अब देखिए, जब सोफी को पता चला कि जैंसी को ये पता चल गया कि उसकी मीटिंग, उसकी मुलाकात डैनी केजी से हुई, तो उसे अच्छा नहीं लगा, बिकॉज शी थॉट दैट जैंसी वाज a kind of nosy. She could not keep anything a secret, and she would tell the whole neighborhood about it. उसने सोचा कि जैंसी पूरे पड़ोस को ये सब बता देगी कि उसकी मुलाकात डैनी केजी से, और वो इस बात को नहीं चाहती. Now children, today we are going to start from the second last paragraph of page number 83. Okay students, now see the book. After dark she walked by the canal, along a sheltered path lighted only by the glare of the lamps from the wall, across the water, and the unceasing drone of the city was muffled and distant. Meaning thereby, we can say that Sophie was lost in imagination, and she was walking by the side of the canal, and she was imagining about her meeting with Danny Casey. She was walking by the side of the canal, and the light of the lamps was coming across the water, and the noise of the city was far away from there. सोफी अपनी मीटिंग को इमेजिन करते हुए कैनाल के साइड में जा रही थी, और वहाँ जो सड़क के किनारे लैंप्स की जो लाइट थी वो कैनाल के पानी से क्लियर करते हुए दिखाई दे रहे थे, चमकते हुए दिखाई दे रहे थे, और शहर का शोर वहाँ से काफ़ी था. It was a place she had often played in when she was a child. It was really a place she remembered she used to play इन हर चाइल्डहुड। ये वो स्थान थे जहाँ पर वो अपने बचपन में खेला करती थी। There was a wooden bench beneath a solitary elm. A wooden bench was there under the elm tree, where lovers sometimes came. elm tree के नीचे एक बेंच पड़ी हुई थी जहाँ पर कभी कभी लवर्स आया करते थे, बैठते थे। She sat down to wait. Sophie sat down there in order to wait Danny Casey. She was imagining, she was thinking that Danny Casey was coming to meet her. It was the perfect place, it was really a good place, perfect place. She had always thought so for a meeting of this kind. And she had always thought for this kind of meeting for a long time. देखिए ये परफेक्ट प्लेस था और वो इस प्रकार की मीटिंग के बारे में लंबे समय से सोच रही थी और वो वहाँ आई और बैठ गई और वो सोच रही थी। सोफी वाज थिंकिंग दैट डैनी केजी वुड बी कमिंग एट एनी मोमेंट फॉर दोज हू विश नॉट टू बी ऑब्जर्व्ड, एंड इट वाज रियली ए परफेक्ट प्लेस फॉर दोज हु विश्ड नॉट टू बी ऑब्जर्व्ड। She knew he would approve, and she knew that he would really like the place. और वो इस बात को सोच रही थी कि डैनी केजी would really like this place. डैनी केजी इस स्थान को पसंद करेगा। For some while waiting, she imagined his coming. She kept sitting there, and she kept on imagining his coming there. वहाँ बैठी रही, इमेजिन करती रही कि डैनी केजी वहाँ पर आ रहा होगा। She was along the canal, seeing him come out of the shadows, imagining her own consequent excitement. She was thinking that Danny Casey would be coming, and he would be coming through the shadowy places. And she was also imagining that after meeting Danny Casey, that she would be very much excited. Not until some time had elapsed did she begin balancing against this idea of his not coming. But in the meantime, she was also thinking about the idea that he would not come. Here I said, she said to herself, wishing Danny would come, wishing he would come, and sensing the time passing. देखिए, she was sitting there and she was saying to herself, she was wishing, she was imagining that Danny Casey would be coming, and she was having a kind of excitement. She would be very happy when he would come. वहाँ पर बैठी हुई सोचती है कि डैनी केजी आ रहा होगा और डैनी केजी वहाँ पर आएगा, उसके साथ बैठेगा, बातें करेगा। I feel the pangs of doubt stirring inside me, but she still had some doubts in her mind whether he would come or not. I watch for him, but still there is no sign. कहती मैं उसको देखती हूँ, उसके आने का इंतजार करती हूँ, बट देयर इज़ नो साइन ऑफ हिज कमिंग, लेकिन उसके आने का कोई भी संकेत दिखाई नहीं देता है। आई रिमेंबर जियोफ सेइंग ही वुड नेवर कम, एंड हाउ नन ऑफ देम बिलीव्ड मी व्हेन आई टोल्ड देम। अब उसे अपने भाई जियोफ की बात याद आती है, जैसा कि जियोफ ने कहा था कि डैनी केजी वुड नेवर कम, डैनी केजी कभी नहीं आएगा। और इस बात को सोचती है कि अब उसकी बात पर कोई विश्वास नहीं करेगा। आई वंडर वॉट आई विल डू, एंड शी स्टार्टेड थिंकिंग वॉट शी वुड डू। इस बात को सोचने लगी कि वो अब क्या करेगी। वॉट कैन आई टेल देम नाउ इफ़ ही डज नॉट कम, एंड इफ़ डैनी केजी doesn't come to meet her, what would she tell all others? अगर डैनी केजी नहीं आता है तो वो दूसरे लोगों को क्या बताएगी, दूसरे लोगों से क्या कहेगी? What we know how it was, Danny and me, but Danny and me knew it very well how it was. That's the main thing. How can you help what people choose to believe? But all the same, it makes me despondent. But thinking about it, she became disappointed. लेकिन जब उस बात को सोचती है थोड़ी निराश हो जाती है. This knowing I will never be able to show them they are wrong to doubt me. And really, she would not be able to say anything in her defense that really she was wrong, the people were not so wrong. Okay? She waited, measuring in this way the changes taking place in her. Resignation was no sudden thing. अब देखिए, she kept on waiting, sitting there, and she was thinking, she was measuring in this way the changes taking places in her. With the passage of time, some kind of changes were also taking place in her, and really she thought that he would not come. Now I have become sad, she thought. She started thinking that she was sad and upset. अब देखिए, वो इस बात को सोचकर कि डैडी केजी नहीं आएगा परेशान होने लगी. And it is a hard burden to carry this sadness. और इस sadness को अपने साथ ले जाना एक hard burden के समान. It is really a kind of hard burden to carry such kind of sadness with her. Sitting here, waiting and knowing he will not come, I can see the future and how I will have to live with this burden. अब देखिए, इस बात को सोचते हुए, sitting here, waiting and knowing, meaning that भाई यहाँ पर बैठकर उसका इंतजार करते हुए और इस बात को जानते हुए that he will not come, that Danny Casey will not come. So she started thinking about the future. वो अपने भविष्य के बारे में सोचने लगी. And how I will have to live with this burden. और वो सोचने लगी कि वो इस बर्डन को अपने साथ लेकर कैसे जीवित रहेगी. They of course will doubt me. वास्तव में अब सभी लोग उस पर डाउट करेंगे. As they always doubted me. जैसा कि उन्होंने हमेशा ही सोफी पर डाउट किया. But I will have to hold up my head remembering how it was. But she thought that she would have to keep herself, her mind and heart quite in balance. Already I envisages the slow back home and Geoff's disappointed face when I tell him. अब देखिए, she started thinking that she would go towards her home quite slowly, and when she would reach there, she would not like to see Geoff disappointing face. अब देखिए, वो इस बात को सोचने लगी तो वो धीरे धीरे अपने घर की ओर जाएगी और जब वो अपने घर पहुंचेगी तो वो जियोफ के डिसअपॉइंटेड चेहरे को देखकर उदास होगी, परेशान होगी. कहती, जब मैं उसे इस बात को बताऊंगी कि ही डिड नॉट कम, दैट डैनी, कि डैनी केजी नहीं आया, डैनी केजी डिड नॉट कम. एंड देन ही विल फ्लाई आउट एंड स्लैम द डोर. और तब वो घर से बाहर की ओर जाएगा, दरवाजे को तेज आवाज़ के साथ बंद करेगा. बट वी नो हाउ इट वॉज. लेकिन हम जानते हैं कि ये कैसा था. आई शैल टेल माई सेल्फ, मैं अपने आप को बताऊंगी, डैनी एंड मी It is a hard thing, this sadness. Really, this kind of sadness was a hard thing. She climbed the crumbling steps to the street outside the pub. She passed her father's bicycle propped against the wall and was there. अब देखिए कि मैन she was thinking that she was coming with the slow steps towards her home. She saw that her father's bicycle was just outside of the public house. तो she became glad. घर जाते समय उसने देखा कि उसके फादर की साइकिल पब्लिक हाउस अर्थात बाहर के बाहर खड़ी हुई थी, तो वो खुश हो गई. He would not be there when she got home. और वो इस बात को सोचने लगी कि जब वो पहुंचेगी घर पर तो उसके फादर उस समय घर पर नहीं होंगे. Okay students, so we shall go to the next lecture in the next video.